Hello everyone, I am Vaikundan Rajaratnam. You can call me your AI application guru. I truly love exploring new AI tools, especially tools that help us all learn. Today, we are going to look at NotebookLM. It is a fantastic helper for students. It is also incredibly great for teachers. I am excited to guide you through it. Let's begin our learning journey together now. NotebookLM is a very special AI notebook. It has been cleverly made by Google. You start by giving it your study materials. These can be your personal notes or chapters from books. A key thing is that it does not search the internet. It only uses your specific information. This unique feature makes it very focused indeed. It helps you understand your text much better. Getting started with NotebookLM is wonderfully easy. First, you will need to add your sources. These sources are simply your documents. Look carefully for the button that says Add Source. It is usually quite clear and easy to spot on the screen. You should click on this button first. This action is your very first step into using NotebookLM effectively. After clicking the Add Source button, you choose your files. You can easily upload PDF documents. Google Docs also work very well with the system. You even have the option to paste text directly. NotebookLM will then begin to process these files. This processing might take a short while, so be patient. Then your sources are fully ready to use. Why not try uploading a small file right now? Well done on uploading your first source. Your sources are now safely inside NotebookLM. The system works hard to keep them organized for you. You will typically see a clear list of your documents. This area becomes your personal knowledge base. All your important information is stored right here. It is all kept very neat and wonderfully tidy. This is truly great for managing your study load. Now, how do you actually find things within your sources? It's simpler than you think. You can ask NotebookLM direct questions. Remember to use simple, everyday language for best results. For example, you can easily ask things like, what is the main idea in this document? Or you could try, summarize this particular chapter for me, please. The AI carefully reads your sources. Then it provides you with a helpful answer. You should look for a chat box area or an ask bar. This is the specific place where you type your questions. You can ask any question you have about your documents. The AI, importantly, looks only at your uploaded sources. It then gives you answers directly from them. It also cleverly shows where it found the information. These references are called citations, very useful for checking. NotebookLM actually does much more than just find facts. It actively helps you to connect various ideas. You can ask it to compare two different things from your text, or you could ask it to find different views on a topic. This process makes you think much more deeply. It really helps you to truly understand the material. Try asking a question about connections in your source. Let's get a bit more creative with NotebookLM now. We can use it to help make mind map outlines. Mind maps are excellent visual tools. They really help you to see different ideas clearly. They clearly show how various things connect together. First, ensure you have your source material ready. This material is what the mind map will be about. Think of your main topic very clearly. So, how do you actually ask NotebookLM for a mind map? You could try typing something like this. Create a mind map structure for your specific topic or source name. NotebookLM will then process this request. It will work to pull out the main ideas. It will also find the important supporting points. It then gives you a helpful text outline. You can use this outline to draw your mind map. Teachers, please listen up. This next part is especially for you. NotebookLM can be a great assistant to help draft lesson plans. You can upload your existing teaching materials, or you can use your curriculum guides as sources. Then you simply ask the AI for some help. This amazing feature can save you so much valuable time. It is a very helpful assistant for busy educators. For example, you could ask the AI, draft a lesson plan on your chosen topic for specified age group. The AI can then suggest learning objectives. It can also help to outline various learning activities. It might even suggest some useful questions for discussion. You then take this initial draft. After that, you add your own teaching expertise. Make it absolutely perfect for your class. How do we effectively check what has been learned? Quizzes are often a very good way to do this. NotebookLM can help you to make quizzes quite easily. This feature is great for students to use. They can readily test their own knowledge and understanding. It is also incredibly great for teachers. They can make quick assessments for their classes. Let's learn how this works. It is very simple indeed to create a quiz. First, you need to choose the source material. This is the specific document or text the quiz will be about. Then you ask NotebookLM something direct, like generate a quiz with 3 questions on your topic or source. You can also ask for different types of questions. Multiple choice questions are possible, or you can ask for short answer questions. NotebookLM will then provide you with the questions. It usually gives you the correct answers too. This is absolutely perfect for any self-study sessions. Students can easily check their own work in progress. Teachers can also use these generated questions. They can be used in class activities or for homework tasks. Always remember to review them first. Why not try making one now? So, to summarize, why should you use NotebookLM? It genuinely helps you to learn much better and smarter. It makes all your study materials truly interactive. You can ask them questions and get answers. For teachers, it is a significant time saver. It helps to create engaging and effective lessons. It truly is like having your own personal AI learning partner. Explore it, use it, and enjoy your learning journey.